Kali. Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Sir Azhar. We are group Otaisolver from section 2. I am Nurul Ani Syafiqah as a team leader. I am joined by my team members Nur Sofia Maisarah binti Kamarudin, Nur Hidayah binti Muhammad Haud, and Nur Zafarisha binti Zulkifli. Today, we will present our proposed system solution. Our case study focus on FindRise Finance, a local financial institution. Currently, their loan application process is manual and prone to human error. To solve this, we are proposing a loan eligibility system to automate the preliminary checks and standardize decision making. In our problem analysis chart, PAC, we define the given data such as monthly income, loan amount, applicant name, existing monthly commitment, request loan amount, interest rate, and loan tenure. The required result is to determine the applicant's eligibility status. The core logic is based on the debt service ratio (DSR). If the DSR more is more 60%, the applicant is eligible. This interactive chart IC shows our system hierarchy. The loan eligibility system control is divided into three main modules. First, read. To input applicant data. Second, calculate. To process formulas for installment and DSR. And third, print. To output the final eligibility status. The IPO chart details our step-by-step logic. The system inputs data like interest rate and existing commitment, then process the monthly installment and DSR using specific mathematical formulas. The output display the monthly installment amount and final eligibility status to the user. So, I will now hand it over to Zulfarisha to explain the slide.
So this is our algorithm, a step-by-step procedure that we use to solve our problem. In this algorithm, we use three decision symbols, including one nested decision and one looping symbol. So in this algorithm, it is consists of three modules, which is read, calculate, and print. The first module is read. In this module, we will make sure that all the information is gathered. In the second module, which is calculate, we will perform two critical tasks in this module, which is monthly installment and debt service ratio. For the monthly installment, we will calculate how much the applicant must pay based on their interest rate and loan tenure. And for the debt service ratio, we will calculate the ratio of the applicant total commitments on their income to determine whether they can afford the loan or not. This is our last module, which is print module. This module is responsible for user interface. Next, I will pass the presentation to Sophia.
So for my part, I will explain the flowchart of our mini project. So the flowchart visually represents the program logic using standard flowchart symbols. It consists of three decision symbols, including one nested decision and one looping structure. The flowchart clearly shows the sequence of input, validation, calculation, and output, ensuring the logic is easy to follow and understand. Next. Next. The program is divided into several modules to improve clarity and organization. Each module is responsible for a specific task such as reading input, performing calculations, and displaying output. This modular structure simplifies the program flow and makes the logic easier to manage and understand. Now I will pass to the next presentation, which is Hidayah.
So now I will explain about the de-stacking for the case study. So basically, the de-stacking is used to test the correctness of the algorithm before we do the coding. This test taking use a sample test data that will help to verify the logic is correct, the calculation is accurate, and the expected output is produced before the program is executed. So here is the first set of the case study for the eligible result. Next, here is the not eligible case study. Next, and here is the last one for the invalid case study. Next. Now I will explain about the C programming. So basically, for the C programming implementation, we use the programmist apps. Next, next, and here is the output that we obtain from the coding. So it shows that our eligibility our eligibility system works correctly as intended. That's all. Thank you.
To wrap up, our loan eligibility system is designed to transform the way finalized finance operates, moving from a slow manual process to a fast, automated and accurate system. By calculating the debt service ratio, the installments automatically, we minimize human error and provide instant result for applicants. We believe this solution perfectly address the challenge faced by the institution. That's all from us. Thank you.